Imagine a world where we don't just predict outcomes, but truly understand what causes them. That's the power of causal representation learning, and today we're diving deep into how generative AI is changing the game. Whether you're a researcher, a data scientist, or just someone fascinated by AI's potential, this journey will open your eyes to a new way of thinking about data. Stay with me because what you're about to discover might just change how you see artificial intelligence forever. Before we jump in, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps more people discover these groundbreaking insights, and I'd love to hear your thoughts as we go. Now, let's get started. Causal representation learning is a groundbreaking shift in how we approach data and artificial intelligence. It takes us beyond the surface level insights of traditional machine learning, where patterns and correlations dominate, and into the heart of the matter, understanding why things happen. Think of traditional AI as a weather forecast that tells you it will rain tomorrow based on patterns in past weather. Causal representation learning goes a step further and tells you what causes the rain, whether it's the low pressure, the warm front, or something else entirely. This deeper understanding empowers us to not just predict outcomes, but also to influence them in meaningful ways. At its core, causal representation learning is about identifying the relationships between variables that reflect cause and effect, not just correlation. It's essential for building models that don't just describe the world, but can actively help change it. Imagine having an AI system that can tell you precisely how introducing a new medical treatment will impact patient recovery, or how a specific teaching strategy will improve student performance, or even how a new marketing campaign will drive customer behavior. That's the promise of causal representation learning. Decisions grounded in evidence, not guesswork. This methodology has immense real-world implications. In medicine, it allows researchers to pinpoint the factors that genuinely improve patient outcomes, making treatments more effective and personalized. In education, it helps teachers and policymakers design methods that have a proven impact on student learning rather than relying on trial and error. And in marketing, it enables businesses to identify which interventions, such as targeted ads or promotions, actually drive consumer behavior, helping them optimize strategies with confidence. The importance of causal representation learning cannot be overstated. By accurately understanding cause and effect relationships, we can design better interventions and policies across these and many other fields. It's not just about knowing what happens when we take an action, but understanding why it happens so we can refine and improve outcomes. This approach ensures that our predictions are not only accurate, but actionable. Causal representation learning, combined with the power of modern AI techniques, is one of the most transformative advancements in artificial intelligence today. As we move forward, we'll explore the specific tools and methods that make this approach possible, as well as its wide-ranging applications. Stay with me on this journey, because what lies ahead is a whole new way of thinking about AI, data, and the future of decision-making.